Are you having problems with your Life360 app not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix this issue. So basically what I did firstly is that I closed my Life360 app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So now when I went into the settings app on my phone, I'm just going to go back to this start page right here. So you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. Now in here, I just scrolled down and I clicked on general in here, as you can see, and I scrolled down once again and I clicked on storage actually. So I clicked on storage, and as you can see, we should now be taken to a page very similar to this as well. So you're just going to swipe up here until you can see the search bar up top, of course. And just in here, we're just going to search for Life360 and just click on the app. So in here, it's very easy. You're going to click on upload app and once again, click on upload app in here. And then click on the blue button here once again, and just simply now wait for your Life360 app to completely update to the latest version. So by doing this, you're actually basically forcing your Life360 app to auto-update to its latest version. So you have all the latest function, all the bugs that was in the previous one is now going to be gone, most likely. So this actually fixed it for me, so I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.